Oh, I got him, buds. Woo-hoo! What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna do a little challenge. Challenge is gonna be a spin roulette challenge, and I'm gonna go out here. I got 4 rods and 4 baits. Every 20 minutes I'm gonna have to switch between a bait, and let's see how many fish I catch. See if I destroy them or get skunked. So I'll see you out in the water. See you guys. All right, guys, so we're at our spot. All right, and we're gonna spin the little dial to see what we're gonna be throwing first. All right, here we go. See what we got. Oh, we're gonna have the popper. All right, let's get something done with this. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get my 20 minute timer started, and we're gonna go ahead and get the popper and try to catch some fish. There it is, started. Okay, 20 minutes with the popper. Let's see what we can do. All right. Send it, bros. Oh gosh. That ain't not good. Got a big knot. How the heck did that happen? All right, guys, so that's how my day's been working out. I got, like, within a couple casts of the spinning rod and the popper on it, and somehow it figured out how to tie a big old knot, and it's lying pretty far down, and as you can see, I'm running out of sunlight, so I'm gonna go ahead and spin again and then fix that popper later probably. All right, here we go. See what I get. Looks like I got the spinner bait. So I'm fishing like this just bait this evening, and it's got a lot of bluegill on it, so you know the bass are kind of, you know, they're stocked up around here, and the spinner bait seems to work pretty good on these little bass out here, so hopefully I can get something cranked with this. We're gonna go up here to the end of where the lily pad stops, see if we can get something. I see a bunch of bluegill jumping, so. See if we can let that sink a little bit. Stroll right past this tree. I've caught a bunch of crappie on this tree, but I haven't really, you know, tried to catch bass with it. Alright, I'm gonna try one more cast back in this corner, and if I ain't getting the fish, I'm moving. Alright, we're gonna move over here a little bit, see if we can get any action over here. Whoa, oops, I forgot to start the 20-minute timer. I guess that works. We'll take probably about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes off of there. Oh, there's something. Come on, buddy, eat it. No! Come on, that's gotta be a bass. Casting over there again, you better believe it. Didn't eat it that time. Oh, It's a wonderful bird's nest, isn't it? Don't you just love when your real bird's nest and you gotta spend time picking it out, and then once you go to reel it up, you got a knot in your line. It's one of my favorite parts of fishing. I don't know about you. But they'll start biting once I get some type of top water on. Alright, this is where I should be catching them. Alright, let's pick another one, y'all. Okay, spin another one. Please don't play popper. If it's spinnerbait again, I'm gonna be kind of mad. I don't want a spinnerbait. Please don't be. No, it's gonna be frog. Yes, finally. Like a frog or like a popper would work too, but frog or like a flipping bait is so good on this edge out here. Why is that there? Alright. Oh. Alright, that works. That was kind of weird, but that works. Alright. We're gonna stay in this. Oh, what is that cast? Whoa. We're gonna stay in this corner and throw about three, 4 casts and see how that works. Alright, I am seeing some fishy wishies blow up over there in that thick, whatever you want to call it, thick grass over there. Some pretty thickness of grass. So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna try to catch some of them fishies, right? The bite should be pretty good right now. Alright, let's see. My guidance skills aren't very good right now. I'm going all over the place. Alright, I think right here would be good. Let's make a cast out there. Alright, I need to loosen this up. I need to go a little bit farther. Alright, let's get down to business. We're gonna catch them right here. There ain't no way that I'm getting skunked. Last time I fished here, I was working the frog pretty fast, and they seemed to like it. But I don't know, it's been a pretty hot day today, so they might like it slower. I don't know. I'm gonna start off working it kind of fast like I am right now. See if I get a couple hits. If not, I'm gonna try working it a little bit slower. But we should be getting some hits here, hopefully. Oh, did one just hit? I'm in confusion right now. I think one just hit. I'm gonna cast over there again. I think you just gave me a little bite in the butt. No! Oh! Oh, I just got a bite right there. No! He ate it again, but he keeps freaking missing it. There's a fish right there, and he keeps missing my frog. I swear, if he keeps biting and missing it, and my time runs out, I'm gonna be so mad. Alright, I have 10 minutes left to catch this fish. But no! Oh my gosh. He keeps destroying it, but missing it. Come on, dude. my gosh. My frog wasn't even there and he just freaking blew up on it. Why can't you do that to my frog, buddy? Don't miss it this time. Oh, come on. He's missed my frog like 6 times now. Oh, I got him. I got him. There he is. Didn't miss that time, did he, buddy? Oh, he's wrapped up in the leaves. Please don't get off. Please don't get off. Please don't give off. Please don't. Oh, goodness. Oh, he's wrapped up all in. There he is. Oh, he's. Oh. Oh, I got him, buds. Woo-hoo! Let's go. Woo! Oh, I missed my frog like 6 times. 6 or 7 times. And I finally got him. He was just sitting there. Let's go. Let's go. At least I didn't get skunked, right? Look at that fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's not a bad fish. Well, not a good fish, but he's not a bad fish. Look at him. Woo! There's 1 down for the challenge. Okay. Got more to go. Alright. Take a picture of this dude. And we'll release him. Alright. Let's go, buddy. Time to go back so you can eat some more frogs. Don't miss as many this time. Goodness. It took me forever to try to catch you. Alright, buddy. See ya. Woo! There's a splash that I love. I love that splash. Alright, now I'm pumped. Alright. We still got probably, I don't know, a couple more minutes. Enough to make 1 more cast with this frog. Whew! Now I'm pumped. Now I am pumped. Alright. Let's make let's see what time we got left though. Got fish slime all over my phone and me. Alright. And let's see. What other? Okay. We got 1 more spin left. Alright. Let's see what it's going to be. Basically tell the GoPro dies because I don't know if I brought another. Yes! What's the chances of me getting every single bait? Alright. We're gonna go down earlier where we fished. Alright. Okay. 20 minutes. Starts now. I didn't forget to start it this time. Oh, if I can grab onto my bait. Can't walk over here. Alright. I'm gonna flip this little bank right here. If I can flip, goodness. I'm gonna flip this little bank right here and I'm gonna start moving down here towards the boat dock. And hopefully we can catch 1 fish. All I'm asking for is 1 more fish before I go in. See some bluegills jumping out in the middle. I wish I still had that frog on. I'd be fishing over there. But, you know, rules are rules, I guess. Right there. There's a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. Oh, he's a little baby bass. I was literally gonna swim it in because I thought I casted it where I wanted to, but Oh my gosh. Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy. He's so small. He's so small. How'd you fit that in your mouth? Goodness. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, that's so funny. Look at him. Look at this little guy. Oh. So I saw something blow up over there on the bank, okay? Over there. And so I cast over there, but I thought I made the cast I wanted to, but I kind of didn't, so I was like, dang it. So I went to reel it back in, and all of a sudden, I see my bait moving. I'm like, do I got a fish? I was like, there's no way I got a fish. And then I caught that little squeak. Hey, I got what I wanted. I got another fish. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's not the size of the fish, it's the fish that counts. That was funny though. Alright. Wrong side of the boat. We're gonna move towards the boat dock. Stop making funny noises. Goodness. I want to flip like right here. Oh, there it is. Alright. Alright. Gonna head back to the boat dock. And we're gonna get this puppy loaded up, and I'll see you there then. We gave her a dang out there. That's all I'm gonna say. Caught 2 fish, challenge complete. Anyways, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and comment. Tell me what kind of challenges you want me to do or what kind of videos you want to see. Anyways, I'll see you next video.